So now we are on the third section of the child abuse presentation, which relates to the sociological prescriptions that can be applied to the issue of child abuse. So first off, I just want to give some background information for this first introductory slide. So 68% of children alone were abused by a family member, and further into the presentation, a little bit towards the end, we're going to get into how it is more common for a child to be abused by a family member or someone they know that's close to them. Excuse me. Just because of maybe how it has been passed down from generation to generation, which is very sad. But when a child abuser does all they know from their parents that might have also been child abusers, is that they do tend to continue the I don't want to say trend because that kind of sounds bad, but the cycle of the child abuse. It just does not end until someone puts an end to it. So also, 4 children are said to die every day from child abuse, which is according to a website called childhelp.org. So obviously child abuse is a very common issue, very big issue around the world. So now we're going to get into the public health model and the tertiary approach and some examples of that.